Hello everyone, welcome back to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Today I'm going to show you Airplane DVD movie starring Leslie Nielsen. There's the side and back, and now show you the film disc inside. There's the film disc, Airplane. And there it is, Airplane. The great comedy movie by Leslie Nielsen. Most of all, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Well, today I'm going to finish getting stuff out for the collections, getting things ready, getting it parted out, pieced out, and getting it ready for the collection. Most of all, how are you doing? And I hope you're doing well. Like I said, after that, then I'm going to get caught up on some movies that I missed and sit and relax and have me day. If you're new to the channel, I do collection videos here. Hope you enjoy the content. I'll be starting my Christmas videos very, very soon. So be ready for that. Christmas Eve, I'll do my Christmas Eve video. Christmas Day, I'll show you what I got for Christmas, plus the Christmas video. And, like I said, I've got lots planned for this YouTube channel. Lots planned for this channel. I've got some collectible items, some soon-to-be collectible items. I've got a mixture of all. I've got cassette tapes, CDs, DVDs, LP vinyl records. I've got lots and lots and lots of stuff that I have not even went through yet. So, I'll get it out, get it ready for you to see. That's right, I'll get it out and get it ready for you to see. Like always, I've been busy getting these items out, getting them ready for you to see. And I'm still not done. Still not done. I've still got more items still yet to go through. Still not done. Still not done. Which is going to take a while getting the items out. Don't get me wrong. But I will get these items out for you to see. I will do that. That's right. I will do that. And always remember to like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified each time I'm on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.